This is PowerDirector version 17. Let's see how to select a few clips, a range of clips from the timeline. Let's zoom in. Okay, so let's say I want to select it from here. So to do that, I will just click on this one, and this red line, the playhead, will move exactly to the beginning of that clip. So left click on it, and the playhead is there. Okay, now we have these two sides, the left side yellow and the right side yellow. Grab the right side one and simply drag it. Okay, and as you move this yellow line closer to the end, here at the end you will have a blue line. When the blue line is visible, then you can release this yellow thing and the yellow line will jump exactly to the end. Okay, so let's get closer, and there's the blue line. So I can still release it, although it's not exactly at the end, and the yellow line will jump to the end like it's now. Okay, so we just selected the beginning and the end. If you click outside, the selection is gone. Okay, let's do it in another way. So let's say I want to click on this one, and let's say the playhead is there in the middle somewhere. Now I can click, press the end key on the keyboard, and it jumped exactly to the end of that clip because clip is selected here. Okay, and now let's drag the beginning, the left side of that yellow square, and the same thing here. A blue line should appear. When it's there, just release it like it's now. Okay, so the red line jumped exactly to the beginning. Okay, you can see the red line, but the yellow one moved there. Okay, so we have a selection from the beginning till the end. Now you can produce that range if you want, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.